Let's dive right into our comparison of Riverside FM and Descript by examining their features. Riverside FM is an all-in-one platform designed for high-quality video and audio recording, while Descript offers not only recording but also robust editing capabilities. Riverside FM's notable features include separate HD video and audio tracks, live call-in capabilities, and local recordings. Descript, on the other hand, is known for its advanced editing suite, which includes features like overdub, voice cloning technology, and automatic transcription and subtitles. Both platforms offer unique features tailored for different uses. Next, let's discuss pricing. Riverside FM offers 3 plans: Basic at 19 month, Standard at 29 month, and Professional at 49 month. Each plan offers increasing levels of storage, recording hours, and guests. Descript also offers 3 tiers: Free, Creator at 15 month, and Pro at 30 month. Descript's plans are differentiated by features like transcription hours, overdub voices, and collaboration capabilities. Pricing for both platforms is competitive and depends on your specific needs. User experience is crucial when choosing a platform. Riverside FM boasts a simple, intuitive interface that requires minimal setup. It also provides a seamless experience for guests, with no need for them to download any software. Descript, however, has a steeper learning curve due to its extensive editing features. But once mastered, it offers a powerful toolset for editing and enhancing recordings. Your choice here might depend on whether you prioritize ease of use or powerful editing capabilities. Let's talk about integrations now. Riverside FM integrates with major podcasting platforms like Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Google Podcasts. It also supports live broadcasting to YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. Descript, on the other hand, offers integrations with editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro. It also supports export to platforms like YouTube and Vimeo. Both platforms offer useful integrations, but your specific workflow will determine which is more beneficial. Performance is another major consideration. Riverside FM stands out for its ability to record high-quality video and audio even in unstable network conditions, thanks to its local recording feature. Descript excels in its real-time transcription accuracy and the speed of its editing tools. Both platforms are highly reliable, but Riverside FM might edge out Descript if high-quality recording is your top priority. Security is essential, and both platforms take this seriously. Riverside FM uses secure encrypted connections for all recordings. It also stores all data in secure GDPR-compliant servers. Descript uses industry-standard security measures to protect your data and maintains a strict privacy policy. Both platforms are committed to keeping your data safe. Both Riverside FM and Descript offer strong customer support. Riverside FM provides 24/7 support via email and has a comprehensive knowledge base. Descript also offers email support, along with a detailed help center and community forum. It's a close call, but your personal preference for support style could tip the scales. So, who's the winner? Based on our comparison, Riverside FM takes the crown. Its high-quality recording capabilities, user-friendly interface, and robust integrations make it a strong choice for podcasters and broadcasters. It also offers competitive pricing and solid customer support. However, if advanced editing and transcription features are your top priorities, Descript is a worthy contender. Remember, the best choice depends on your specific needs and workflow. Thanks for watching our comparison of Riverside FM and Descript. We hope this has helped you make an informed decision. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more comparisons and reviews. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.